Wow. Okay, guys. The train is going back to Nottingham from here. It's gonna be Mansfield Woodhouse, Langwick, Shirebrook, and also the train is gonna end up in Nottingham. And the next place there is if you want to go to Leeds or Sheffield, you have to cross over there to catch your train, which is the weather today is quite very warm. I'm really do not understand it. If you look at here, you will see that this place is completely empty. There's nobody here. You would imagine that the weather being very warm, up to 27 degrees today, you would imagine that a lot of people would like to go inside the city, be able to have some fun. But I know it's a little bit late. It's about 3 o'clock. It's a little bit late. So if you're gonna go somewhere, you already left by this time. But the weather is warm, you know. You can't stay in the sun. It's too hot. The only way you can do, probably find somewhere a little bit shade to stay. But guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.